Hello guys!
Today we're going to bake muffins.
Yeah, today we are going to recreate some muffins that we bought at the store. We're going to showcase our awesome baking skills.
Yeah. So this is the muffins we're going to recreate. It's quite simple chocolate muffins that we bought at the store. I have a very bad baking history, so this is going to go so well. The ingredients we need is 2 eggs, sugar, flour,
Chocolate powder,
baking powder, vanilla sugar, salt, and milk and chocolate.
So first we start by putting on the oven to what degrees?
175, I think.
175 degrees.
Great. So after an accident we have melted some butter. It's burning quite fast.
So how much butter do we need to make the muffins?
150 grams we need to make the muffins. And that's lots of butter.
And why do we melt the butter?
Shit, I don't know. Why do we melt the butter?
What?
It says melt the butter. Stop it! We're melting the butter because it's easier to make a smet.
To make the dough.
Yeah, not called dough. Okay, then we need 2 deciliters sugar. 1, 2 eggs, an egg, so now we got the sugar. This is the worst part in baking, so I'm going to call in my sister.
You can fiend teamwork. Great teamwork, guys.
And the next step is to it's to pour in flour, chocolate powder, baking powder, and vanilla sugar. We have our little chef with us once again. And now we're going to stir down milk. I pour the milk in and you stir, okay? Start stirring. Okay, comes. Stir.
Chocolate.
Help. Okay, now we need to stir this down. Just do it. This is going to be interesting. Very interesting. Well, 6. Okay.
So 6 plastic ones and 6 paper ones, maybe?
So now I'm cutting some chocolate. And I'm trying to cut them to small pieces so they don't show up so much in the muffin. Now we are stirring the chocolate and the dough together. How much are you gonna put?
Just, I don't know, spread it out in a good way. This is good. Just like the other one has on the top as well.
Yeah.
So that's really smart. Well, thanks for tuning in to Miriam. Miriam's baking.
This was fun though. It was challenging and interesting. That.
Great.
We'll be back when they are ready.
Ooh.
Damn. Look at this. They're a bit burned.
Beautiful.
They look quite good actually.
They look amazing.
They do.
I like how they have melted in.
Yeah, sorry. I think they are the right consistency as well. Hi. It's a few hours later and the cupcakes are ready to be presented or tried.
So these are your cupcakes.
This is the final result.
They look amazing.
Thank you. And these are the cupcakes bought store. Still a better looking version, if I can say it myself. Okay, it's quite hard. Okay. You get a piece.
Thank you.
You get a piece. Really. Too late. Okay, 100.
Mmm.
Bränt.
Jättegott.
Bränt.
Bränt säger Alicia.
Ja. Det smakar bränt. Det var ganska bränt. It was quite burned actually.
We left them in a little too long.
Yes. Now let's try the supermarket. Oh my god. It has like cream in it. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, subscribe, like the video, leave a comment. We'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Bye.